BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Just a quick video to let you know that if you are using Google Chat and are using the different Google apps and services, that Google has started to roll out a new feature in Google Chat, which actually started rolling out earlier last month back in November and is now becoming more widely available. Now, if you are using Google Chat, basically what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to set a schedule so that your chat notifications don't show up and pop up during certain and specified times. And this could be handy as an example if you just want to avoid interruptions, or maybe you're going to be away from your desk and your PC, then you can just set a schedule so that your chat notifications are not showing up at those certain times. Now, just to show you what this is all about and just to show you how to use the feature in case you're unaware, if we head to our status in Google Chat, which is currently active in my case, and you click on Do Not Disturb, here at the bottom of the menu you will see Set a Do Not Disturb Schedule. Click on that. And this is the new feature, Do Not Disturb Schedules. Turn on Do Not Disturb automatically at the following times. Now, Google has made two schedules available by default that you can obviously use. But if you want to create a new schedule and create your own, you just click on this Create New toggle. And here you can see a new schedule, turn on. You can set those times. It repeats every day, or you can set a day of the week you want that schedule to repeat on. And then I'm just going to leave that at default for this video. We can save that schedule. And here you can see my new schedule I've created is 6 p.m. to 7 a.m. I will not be disturbed and I won't receive any notifications through Google Chat. And I can obviously edit that. I can edit that schedule, and I can obviously delete that schedule if that schedule is no longer required. So that's the Do Not Disturb Schedules. That's now a new feature that Google has started to roll out in Google Chat. And that's not only just in the Chat app, it's also if we head over to Gmail. As many of you will know, Chat is used and can be used as part of Gmail as one of these services. And you can do exactly the same thing. Just head to your status in the menu, set a Do Not Disturb schedule. And here you can see you get the same menu. And this feature is becoming more widely available to all Google Workspace customers, as well as users with personal Google accounts, like you can see in my case. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.